Have you ever thought or decided to climb on some peak, some mountain of the world? Why people climb on this kind of mountains, peaks, and the hills? What are the facts behind of that? Why people push themselves in a trouble and they put lots of effort to scale some peak of the world like Everest, Rockies, Kanchenjunga, Godwin Austen. These are some famous peaks of the world which are very high. Students, this is your Amit sir, and I welcome you all in English class because today's class is going to be very interesting, very creative, very different. Why? Because we are going to understand about this turban person. This turban person, यह पगड़ी वाले व्यक्ति, none other than he is a Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia. Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia had set a record that he was the 21st person in the world and he was the 6th Indian who scaled the Mount Everest. So, it's a time to get more information related with the career, related with the life of Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia because the chapter, The Summit Within, is all about the summit of Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia on the Everest. Students, this chapter is given in the book Honeydew, NCRT book Honeydew. So, this is the time to get something more special, more information of Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia. Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia, the full name of Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia is Major Haripal Singh Ahluwalia, is an Indian mountaineer, author, social worker, and retired Indian Army officer. Means this person is a mountaineer. Mountaineer means the person who climbed on some different peaks of the world. He is an army officer also, retired army officer, and he had contributed a lot for Indian Army in some battlefields. During his career, he has made a contribution in the fields of adventure, sports, environment, disability, and social work. He is the 6th Indian man, as I have told you. He is the 6th Indian man and 21st man in the world that climbed Mount Everest. So, students, this person is not a simple person. Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia, the full name is Haripal Singh Ahluwalia, is a very special person. He born on 6th November 1936 as in Sialkot, Pakistan. And after partition of India, he came to India and he settled in India and joined Indian Army. And he served for Indian Army from 1958 to 1968 and he faced Pakistan in the battlefield of 1965. इन्होंने कई किताबें भी लिखी जैसे हायर देन एवरेस्ट, memories of a mountaineer, climbing Everest, and more. He was awarded with Padma Bhushan, Arjuna Award, and so many other international and national acclamations. So, students, Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia is like a son in the field of social work and adventure and sports and environment also. So, when we will in the next video we will see the detailed information and detailed explanation of the chapter because it's a very important chapter, it's a very important topic that everyone must read because climbing on some peak like Everest is not an easy task. It's a very difficult task, and it's very important to understand the experience of a mountaineer, because climbing on some peak is not just climbing on some hill peak and other. It's like a summit within. अंदर की जीत भी होती है उसमें शामिल. So in the next video you will get the all detailed explanation. अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो एंड फॉरवर्ड कर दो. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. एंजॉय लर्निंग.